Hi everyone, I am Ankita Majumdar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you class 7th Political Science SST chapter 1 on equality. Topic first on equality. In this chapter we will learn about equality. You all you are all aware that India is a democratic country. In 6th class, we have studied the composition of a democratic government. A democratic government includes people's participation, the resolution of conflict, and equality and justice. The functioning of democracy is influenced by its key feature, that is equality. In this chapter, we will study more about equality, its meaning, and its importance in a democratic country. Let us start by the story of Kanta. Kanta, Sujata, and many others are waiting to cast their vote on the election day. Kanta said, "Isn't it good, Suja, that we can all vote as equal citizens of our country? Even Jain Sahib is standing in the line with us." Sujata said, "Yes." After that, "Go on, Kanta, it's your turn now." Sujata said. Kanta thought, "I will vote for the candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area." After that, Jain Sahib, Kanta told, "Yes, Namaste Sahib." Then Jain Sahib said, "We will see you later, Kanta." On the way, Kanta said, "Guria has been running fever and I have to take her to the hospital. But I will have to finish the work at Sahib's house first and ask for some advance." After reaching house, Kanta said, "Here, have some of this. You will feel better. And when I get back in the evening, we will go to the hospital." Okay, like that she said to her daughter. After going, when she was passing, it's no wonder that Guria fall ill often. The basti is never cleaned. After that, she reached to Sahib's house. Jain Madam said, "Make sure to do the corners properly." Kanta said, "Yes, madam." After that, Jain Madam said, "Here your advance, Kanta, but don't make a habit of it." Kanta said, "No, madam." After reaching home, she went to the hospital, that government hospital, and she was standing in a big line. And she was thinking, Jain Madam and Jain Sahib may stand in a line to vote, but they never have to do it when their children are sick. Like that, she was thinking. Who? Kanta. So, next point is equal right to vote. Okay, in this topic, we will understand this story. What story? That Kanta and Sujata. The story above starts with Kanta and her friend Sujata, who are waiting to cast their votes. While standing in a line, Kanta recognized her employer Ashok Jain and Chote Lal, her neighbor. Okay, her neighbor. In a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are or whether they are rich or poor are allowed to vote. This, as you have already read in the class 6th, is called universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise and is an essential aspect in all democracy. Universal adult franchise means those who are having 18 years or after that when they can give the vote. The idea of universal adult franchise is based on the idea of equality because it states that every adult in a country, irrespective of their wealth and the communities he belongs to has one vote. Okay. Kanta is excited to vote and happy that she is equal to all of the others because each of them has one vote. But as the day passes, Kanta becomes less certain about what the equality really means. What is it that makes Kanta unsure? Let's take a look at a day in her life. She lives in a slum and has a drain behind her house. Her daughter is sick, but she cannot take the day off work. She cannot take the day off from work because she needs to borrow money from her employers to take her child to doctor. Her job as a domestic help tires her out, and finally she ends her day by again standing in a long line. The line in front of government hospital was different from the one in the morning because the people standing in front of the government hospitals belongs to a poor families. Understood? So your homework will be, you have to, how much I have completed. Okay, that first is that on equality, and on that point equal right to vote, that you have to read. Book reading is your homework. Okay, so that's all for today's topic. Next topic I will explain in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.